In this video, we'll learn to integrate using the U-substitution method. Let's take a look at this example here. In this example, we'll have to choose U so that U would be the innermost function. So the innermost function in this overall function is going to be 1 plus x to the fourth power. So my side work here, I will set U to equal to my innermost function, which is 1 plus x to the fourth power. Continuing with my work here, I'm going to take the derivative of both sides of this equation. So the derivative of u is du, and the derivative of 1 plus x to the fourth power becomes 4x cubed. And do not forget to attach the dx at the end of this statement here. Next, we will want to isolate the dx. So we'll do that by getting rid of 4x cubed. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4x cubed. So for the left-hand side, I have du over 4x cubed is equal to, so for the right-hand side, these 4x cubed cancel out, and so we're just left with dx. So we have finally isolated the dx. Now going back to my main work here, I'm going to rewrite my integrand here so that it is written in terms of u. So this becomes x cubed over the square root of u, and then dx just becomes what we had written here in our side work. So dx becomes du over 4x cubed. Next, let's further simplify our integrand here. So these x cubed cancel out. And notice here that we have 4 in our denominator. So for our constant, we have 1 over 4 here. So 1 over 4 is written outside of our integration symbol. And so now we will just focus on integrating 1 over square root of u. Now let's rewrite 1 over square root of u so that we are no longer dealing with fractions and the square root symbol. So we have 1 over 4 times the integral of u to the negative 1/2. Now, taking the integral of this is so much easier. We will just use the power rule. Okay, so take the integral of u to the negative 1/2. And again, the power rule says that we will increase the original power by 1. So negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1 over 2. And then for our new constant, we take the reciprocal of 1 over 2, and that is just 2. Okay? And then do not forget to end your statement with plus c, and this is just because we are dealing with an indefinite integral. Now let's bring our u function back into u. So now we have 1 over 4 times 2 times the square root of 1 plus x to the fourth power plus c. One more step. Let's rewrite this statement so that our final answer looks a lot cleaner. So I will simplify by doing 1 over 4 times 2, and that gives us 1 over 2 times the square root of 1 plus x to the fourth power plus c. And this is our final answer for our antiderivative. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step calculus help.